representatives na sinabi rin ninyo meron na kaming leads at mukhang talaga yun ang findings. Kaya may grave threat at inciting. Tama ba na sinabi po ninyo to?
Tama po, meron pong report po.
At alam din natin na nag-file na yung NBI February 2025 na ng inciting to sedition case against BP noong February last year. Ngayon, nagtatanong lang ako, 14 months later, as late as 29 April, the NBI still has not identified yung supposed assassin. Does it mean na at that time na nagpila sila ng kaso ng inciting noong Pebrero na nakaraang taon, the NBI wasn't even sure if there was an actual assassin? Alam ko before your time to, Mel. Pero tinatanong ko lang, how can the NBI be sure there was really a contract if they can't even identify the said assassin?
Respectfully po, Your Honor, magkaiba po kasi ang elemento nung yung pong kaso ng grave threat sa inciting based on the investigation report at based po sa findings ng NBI noon, ay nakompleto na po yung elemento ng grave threats saka na inciting to sedition. Hindi naman po kailangang mahanap kung sino po yung kinausap na assassin. That is not an element for the filing of a complaint.
So, ang sinasabi po ninyo, tama yung pagka-file, pero hindi kumpleto yung mga findings dun sa affidavit of investigation dahil yan din ang sinabi ng NBI agent Attorney Longtok na nandito siya at pinahiwatig niya na siya lead investigator pero wala siyang personal knowledge of whether there was an actual assassin. So, why is it that 14 months after filing of the cases, the assassin is yet to be named? At ngayon, humihingi pa kayo ng 3 hanggang 6 na buwan para tuklasin kung sino nga yun.
Ganito nga po,